If you're planning to start a business in New Jersey, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in New Jersey even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video, so let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now the question is, why form an LLC in New Jersey? For one, it offers an asset protection. That means your personal assets like savings or property are protected if your business ever faces legal or financial trouble. Of course, you have a tax flexibility because you can choose how your business is taxed, allowing you to structure things in the most cost-effective way for your situation. You have market access because New Jersey puts your business right next to major markets like New York City and Philadelphia. You also gain access to large skilled workforce, which is perfect for growth and expansion. And of course, a streamlined process. That means New Jersey makes it easy to get started with simple online filing and strong state resources that supports no business owners from day one. After that is choosing a name for your New Jersey LLC. Now you want to make sure that you pick a unique name for your LLC. It must be distinguishable from existing business in New Jersey. It should include LLC or Limited Liability Company or L.C. You should avoid restricted words like bank, insurance, or university unless you have approval. And if you have something of a business in mind, you can always check the availability directly to the New Jersey Division of Revenue website. Now, all you have to do is type in your desired business name. If no matching results appear, that means your business name is available and good to go. And if you are not ready to file it yet, you can reserve your name for $50. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Next is, you must choose a registered agent. A registered agent receives the legal and state documents for your LLC. They must have a physical address in New Jersey. If you wanted to be a registered agent yourself, you can do so, provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. It could also be an individual or a family member or a friend, but what we highly suggest is to hire a professional formation agent service like LegalZoom. More of that later in this video. This step is required because your LLC cannot be approved without it. Now it's time to officially create your LLC by filing the Certificate of Formation. Now, all you have to do is very simple. You just have to go to the New Jersey Business Registration Portal and file the Certificate of Formation online. Now, all you have to do is very simple. Provide your LLC name, registered agent information, business purpose. You can use a general purpose for that, and choose a management structure. It could be member manage or manager manage. There is going to be a filing fee of $125, and once submitted, most LLCs are approved within minutes or a few business days. Although New Jersey doesn't legally require an operating agreement, it's highly recommended because an operating agreement defines ownership percentage, outlines management responsibilities, helps protect your limited liability status, because even single-member LLCs should have one for legal and financial clarity. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. After that is you need to register for the New Jersey taxes and employer purposes. Now, to complete all the requirements and process, all you have to do is go to the New Jersey business website, okay? Complete the necessary application, and you need to also consider to register for applicable state taxes, including sales tax, employer withholding, and unemployment insurance. You also need to obtain key credentials like receiving your unique New Jersey Business Entity ID and the Essential Business Registration Certificate or BRC. Now let's talk about the ongoing requirements and costs you need to keep in mind. So you need to have an annual report filing, annual report fee, registered agent, local compliance, because staying on top of these annual requirements make your New Jersey LLC will stay in great standing. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including New Jersey. The good news is if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the Premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. Let's say you choose the first option. You will be forwarded to a new page. All I have to do is provide your desired business name. If you want to skip all of it and decide later, you can also do that. Of course, you need to select the state, and in this case, that's going to be New Jersey. You can also provide your email address or phone number, or if you want to skip it, it's also okay. Next is choosing the industry. So in our case, that's going to be affiliate marketing. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description to get started with LegalZoom. There are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're going to click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button and you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the one-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And that's it on how to register an LLC in New Jersey, which is actually a simple and affordable process when you follow the right steps. New Jersey may come with ongoing compliance responsibilities, but in return, it offers credibility, legal protection, and access to one of the strongest economies in the country. But if you want a truly hassle-free experience, using LegalZoom is hands down the easiest way to go. They guide you through every step, handle the paperwork, and make you sure your LLC is set up correctly so you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about filings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.